YouTube, and thanks for watching Channel T Marie. Today, as I write in crayon, because as you know, anybody who has kids, all your pens in the house just totally magically disappear. Anyway, so, as the title states, I was thinking about how I am today less beautiful than I used to be on the outside, that is. Not on the inside. On the inside, I'm more beautiful. But in our superficial society, y'all know it's the outside that people really pay more attention to. They go, oh, well, I could overlook the rest. She don't have to have a personality as long as she looks hot. Oh, that's not how I think, though. But anyway, so I'm thinking, you know, I'm less hot than I used to be. You know, let's get them scarfing down McDonald's, the Wendy's, the Subway, the Chick-fil-A, the rotisserie chickens, and all that other stuff that she should eat, and only in moderation. But I'm like, what do I have to look good for? Once you lose a reason to not put the Whopper with cheese and extra pickles in your mouth, that's when the pounds come, right? So, I used to have a reason to stay beautiful, but I don't have a reason no more. I was like, okay, I'm comfortable, I got my money. Who I got to look gorgeous for? I got everything I need. But now I'm thinking, all right, well, you know, I could sweeten up this pot a little bit. Drop a couple pounds, put down the burgers, kind of fries. I'm so silly because when I eat something unhealthy, I'll sprinkle some flaxseed. Flaxseed is like this rich in omega-3 stuff to make it seem like it's not, like I'm not eating crap. But I'm eating crap when I'm sprinkling healthy stuff on top. Still crap, newsflash. So I gotta work on that, definitely. So, yeah, 145. I know for y'all who are like 160, 170, you're like, please, girl, you ain't got no toothpick. No. When you're used to being 120 and you're 145, then it's like, okay. You recognize the difference in your energy levels and just everything, you know? Eat a little bit slower, move a little bit slower, you think a little bit slower. It just moves away, you know? Just for health reasons at the very least. Is your BMI where it's supposed to be? Anyway, so, man, I was watching the news. These people stay living in Oklahoma in Tornado Alley with their kids, rebuilding in the same spot. I can't imagine. Like, why would your house get torn down by a twister while you in a shed in a hole in the ground somewhere? You're going to rebuild in that same spot with your kids. And the sad part is it's the kids that usually get it in the end, while the grown-up who decided to put them there lives. Isn't that ironic? But anyway, as I sit here listening to my corn, John Davis in the building. Yeah, I love me some corn from back in the day. Yeah. Y'all corn lovers out there now? Once a corn lover, always a corn lover. That's it. I'm just doing a little chit-chat on Sunday afternoon. As I wear my green. I hate green. I totally don't look hot in green at all. It's really. See, that's look. Oh, little Kim looks good in green. She looked good in them green pants in that R. Kelly video. Yeah. But anyway. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all still think I'm somewhat hot. Damn, y'all. I ain't fall off like that. Let's talk about. Peace. Still got my followers.